I have some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please.
I'm not sure what this is. Here's my almond milk, which is this. Let me do a thumbnail. Alright, there we go. Let me show you. I am going to take this off. Now I'm going to start pouring the stuff in. Comment down below if you're a fan of Dragon Ball. Because I'm an anime freak. I love anime. I watch Gurren Lagann. That's an old one. I watched Naruto. I watched Bleach. I haven't watched One Piece yet. A little thirsty there. And comment down below, what is your favorite animation or anime? Oh yeah, I watch Fairy Tail also. Especially with Natsu, Dragon, Lucy, Arphilia. Alright, let me start in 3. Alright, I'm going to start. Look at this. Look at how big that is. Ooh, that's hot. Actually, it tastes like just like ramen noodles. It's not even spicy. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to eat a cornbread too, because I just want to eat cornbread. Sorry to everyone that thinks that I'm serious just because I'm serious. That's how my normal face is. I'm always serious. my opinion, looking serious is the thing that like you do to get stuff done. And I got the cornbread from Soul Bowl. Pretty good. Let me show you how much I have. See? I wanted to show you that just to make sure you saw it, just in case if you didn't. I hope you guys liked the video. This is my first solo doing this by myself. I haven't tried it yet, but I hope you like it. Cuties, I'm almost done. I'm halfway through. To me, this wasn't so hot. If you watch Gurren Lagann, the favorite part was when the bro said, "Simon, your drill will pierce through the heavens." That was like my favorite part of all. Every time when he said that, and every time when he came, two of them would punch them in their face just to say, "Get yourself together. Don't get upset. We can do this," or like some sort of that. In animations, I feel that it can inspire you to do better, and it can show how much work people put into it. The thing about me, I don't know how they get so good at the drawing and all sorts of stuff like that. I ate most of my cornbread, and I ate all of this, as you can see. Ooh, spilled some. Well, I hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe with anyone and everyone you know. Comment down below. What is your favorite anime, and what is your favorite anime food? And what is your favorite and what is your favorite anime transformation, like Bankai, that's in Bleach, and also like Super Saiyan or Ultra Instinct, and like the transformation like in Tokyo Ghoul. I haven't watched that one yet. I heard about it, but I never watched it. Well, I hope all you guys really liked the video. So, see you. Bye.
I had some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.